Good afternoon. We're sitting in a 2018 CR-V. I just wanted to walk you through how to reset the system if you're having any technical issues, especially with your Bluetooth connection. If you go from the main menu to the settings and then go to system settings, you're going to have to toggle over to the right to the others tab all the way. On the bottom of the list of the Others tab, there is a Factory Data Reset. You want to click that and hit Next. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to do this. You hit Yes. What it's going to do is basically reset the entire computer system. It's going to wipe out all personal information, all connections with phones, Bluetooth devices. This works a lot of the time when there is a disconnect between someone's new phone or new software update and their car. This usually just takes a couple seconds. After this, it will be good to go, and you just have to repair your phone via Bluetooth as you normally would. If you have any other questions, want to stop by, feel free to stop by Curtis Ryan Honda in Shelton, Connecticut.